Chef Gabe, tell us what you're making today.
Quiche. 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 I have a cup of onion.
Okay.
The key to cooking bacon on a low fire. It will cook slow. The green pepper is coming right up. Half of a cup. I'm gonna let this cook for a minute. I'm gonna do something else. Izzy, the food will be so good, it will fix your head. It would.
We have to see.
I'm gonna make all the green pepper around the bacon. Spinach is always good because it makes you healthy, because it has iron, and everyone needs blood and iron. Let that cook a little bit. We're gonna make 2 quiche, not 1, 2. I think we have enough eggs. I think there is. The color doesn't matter. You can use white or brown eggs. Always grab the shells. If it does, though, go in the bin. You get them out with a spoon. Keep on firing out. We don't believe in violence, but we beat the eggs. We're gonna grab some heavy whipping cream. Cream, whip it, whip it, whip it, whipping cream, whipping, whipping, whipping cream. We can make everything cause Mr. Chef Gabe is here today. We are making quiche. Now I'm gonna whip it. A tablespoon of flour. we are gonna use Mrs. Dash, and we're gonna use it because it's no salt and healthier. Next is the cheese, but just grab a handful. Then you put it in the bin. Then you kind of mix it around. So we got some fresh spinach, and we're gonna put it in the pie crust. I'm gonna spread it out a little bit over the bacon. The bacon and spinach, bacon and spinach, bacon and spinach. Now we're gonna put all of the rest in here. So we're gonna grab all of the cheese and eggs and have heavy whipping cream. We'll put it in the pie crust. Ooh, yeah. Watching my perfect pie crust. And always have your mittens and gloves so that you can put in the oven so that you don't get burnt. And much surely it will be done. We're gonna bake it for 35 to 45 minutes. Let's bake it! And always like and subscribe. And this is the finished product. And this is your Chef Gabe, and always like and subscribe.